Hello students, today we will start our next exercise 5.3 of decimal chapter. So its first question is write in column and add. You all know how to add simple numbers. Today we will learn about how to add decimal numbers. See, first part is there 3.8 plus 6.95. First of all we will write 3.8. Only we will write 3.8. Then we will write this number, second one. Downside of decimal should be there. Then after decimal, which points are there, that write this side. Before decimal, which points are there, that write this side. Now where left no any number is there put 0 and add. When you will add 5 plus 0 5, 9 plus 8 17, carry 9 plus 1 10, 10.75. So like this way you have to add these numbers. See this B part also same I have written 14.332 plus 17.568. When we will write it upper first number we will write 14.32. Then when second number we will write downside of decimal I have written, then 5 6 and 8, here this side 7 and 1. So here not any number was there, so I have put there 0. Then you can add, you all know how to do addition. So 8 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 3 also 8, 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry 1 2 and 3 is 31.888 is answer. Clear to all? So you can see here I have solved C and D part, same 21.406 written, then this number written and add. Then here also I have written like this way and add. You can do these questions by yourself. Now next come on the second part. You can see this second part is there, write in column and subtract. First question addition done, now subtract. In subtract what they have given, 11.82 minus 9.6. This question is there, first A part, this given 11.82 minus 9.6. Now we will see here how to subtract these numbers. Okay, so what we will do, firstly we will write first number 11.82 as it is. Then this number we have to write a downside of decimal, same decimal should be there, which way we have written in addition. Then 6 on the right side we will write it on right side, 9 on the left side we will write it at left side. Then 0 we will put here, 2 minus 0 2, 8 minus 6 2, 11 minus 9 2. So this came 2.22 answer. See, this is the wrong way method to write 11.82. Like this way some are writing 9.6. This is wrong method. Like this way if you will subtract, then this answer is there. So this is the wrong method. Don't do like this way. Clear to all? Next see 18.054. Now you are thinking here decimal is not there. So what we will do? We will put here by self decimal. 18 right, then afterward put decimal. Then downside of decimal will be there. 5 for this side, 0 this side. So 0.54. Upper side no any digit was there, so I have put there zeros. Now you can subtract 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 5 4, 7 minus 0 7 and 1 17.46. Like this way C part is there, so you can solve D part also like this way same. So now we will do next question, third part. Now see third part is there, simplify the following. How we will do this? Simplify the following. Here 41.2, 0.75 plus 6. Now this is positive number, this is negative number, this is again positive number. Means in this number both positive and negative thing came. So what we will do? First of all positive numbers write at one place. 41.2 written plus 6 written. This left, that right here. Now 41.2 is positive number, 6 is also positive number. Both we will write and add. When we will add, we will get answer 47.2. So I have written there 47.2 after adding these two numbers. Then this as it is 47.2, then we will subtract 0.75 from here. For downside of decimal should be there 0 this side, 7 5 this side. Here not any number was there, so I have written there 0. So 10 minus 5 5, 11 minus 7 4, 6 left here because the one carry they have taken from here. So 6 minus 0 6 4 as it is, so 46.45. Next part is there 515 minus 0.698 plus 107. So 515 as it is, 107 as it is, then they have 0.698. So when we will add, this is positive number, this is also positive number, so we will add these two numbers. When we will add these two numbers, we will get 622. So what is left here? 0.698. So 0.698 we have to subtract from here. So 622, when we will add these two, we get 622. Then we have to subtract 0.698. So here nothing was there, so I have written zeros by self. We can write these zeros by self. 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 6 3, 2 minus, here 1 minus 0 1, 2 and 6. So 621.302 answer came. Now this is the C part as it is. Same this way C part you can do. Now D part is also there. You can see D part also. There is some difference in D part. So you can see here 0.009 minus 901 plus 100, 1007.9 minus 0.9. Now here two numbers are positive and two are negative. So what we will do here, positive number separate right, negative number separate right. When we will add these two numbers, 0.009 plus 1007.9. So we will write here 0.009. Downside of decimal should be there 9. We have written this side, 1007 this side. So here not any number was there, so I have written zeros. Here also I have written zeros by self. 9 plus 0 9, 0 plus 0 0, 9 plus 0 9, 7 0 0 1. So this came 1007.909. So when we will subtract, then see, next see here, when we will add these two numbers, we will get this. Now you are thinking what we will do about these two numbers. Here also sign same, this is negative number, this is negative number. When sign is same, either both are positive or both are negative, we will add both the numbers. So here also we will add 901 and 0.9. Here also we will add 9109. So when we will add, we will get 901.9. So I have written there 901.9, but here sign will come negative because both are negative, so negative sign I will put here. Now this is positive, this is negative. Now we will subtract these both. How to subtract 1007.909? So this is 901.9. We have to subtract 901.9. So when you will subtract, you will get 9 minus 0 9, 0 minus 0 0, 9 minus 9 0, 7 minus 1 6, 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 9 1. So the answer is 106.009. Clear up to this to all. Next fourth part is there. Express the following in decimal. Means questions given, you have to express those questions in the decimal. So we have to learn one thing for those questions. See here, they said convert kilogram to gram, gram to kilogram, and for that we have to learn this table. But what I have written there, कहता है दिल मेरा डिग्री कब मिलेगी, कहता है दिल मेरा डिग्री कब मिलेगी. This is the way to learn this table. You can easily learn from here, from the first letter from these number words. K means kilo, H means hectare, D means deca, M means meter, D means deci, C means centi, M means milli. So if here meter is there, we will see this is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. If here liter is there, we will say to them kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. If here gram is there, we can say kilogram, hectagram, decagram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Means either liter there, meter, kiloliter, kilometer, kilogram, to gram, to liter, to meter. If we have to convert, we can use this method. Now see, if we have to move to right side, means they said change kilogram into decigram, change kilometer into millimeter. Then it means we have to move to this side, to our right side. Then we will multiply 10 on each step. How many steps we have to move, that time 10 we will multiply. Suppose you have to convert kilogram into gram, kilogram into gram, 1 2 3 steps you are moving, so you will multiply with 1000. Now if you have to move to left side, this way, means millimeter to meter, decimeter to decameter, centimeter to hectameter, then you will divide it. How many steps you have to move, that much 1000 or 10,000 you will divide like this. If you will convert centimeter to decameter, from this to this, here you have to move 1 2 3 steps you have to move, then you will divide with 1000. Now we will do questions, then maybe you can easily understand. See there, then 75 gram to kilogram. We have to convert 75 gram to kilogram. It means we will move from gram, here is gram, we will move from gram to kilogram. This is kilogram, gram to kilogram, 1 2 3 steps we have to move. It means we will divide with 1000. So see here, 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000, because I said divide. If divide said, it means downside we will write. So 70, but we have to convert to 75. So then on place of 1, then we will write 75. Then this side also we will write 75, 75 by 1000. Now I told you in last lecture also, then if downside how many zeros are there, that much digit we can leave upper side and put a point. 3 zeros, 3 digit we can leave. 5 7 0 put by self. If not 3 are there, then you have to make 3 by putting 0. So 0 you can put, then point, then so answer came 0.075. Clear? Next see, B part is also same, 25860 milligram to kilogram. Now see, where is milligram? Milligram, this is milligram. We have to convert milligram to kilogram here. So we have to moving to left side, then we will divide. Then steps count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total 6 steps are there. It means we will divide with 10 lakh. So 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 10 lakh gram. So we are having 25860 milligram, 25860 by 10 lakh kilogram. So downside 6 zeros, upper side 6 digit we will leave and put a point. So this is the answer. Next is we have to convert 128 paise to rupees. Now this is another thing, when you have to convert 28 paise to rupees, then what you will do, 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. But 128 paise we have to convert, so on 1 we will write 20, 128 paise. So 128 paise is equal to rupees 128 by 100. So downside 2 zeros, 2 digit we will leave and put the point. So it came rupees 1.128. So like this way I have done this D part also. So you can see this from here and understand. Like this way other all parts you have to complete. And thank you.